Welcome everyone to Salman Bashir, the channel. In this video, I will address the question: could fungi and tumors fuel cancer's spread? Before moving forward, I request you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's start the video. Scientists discovered traces of fungi lurking in the tumors of people with different types of cancer, including breast, colon, pancreatic, and lung cancers. However, it's still not clear that these fungi play any role in the development or progression of cancer. Two new studies, both published September 29 in the journal Cell, uncovered DNA from fungal cells hiding out in tumors throughout the body. In one study, researchers dusted for the genetic fingerprints of fungi in 35 different cancer types by examining more than 17,000 tissue, blood, and plasma samples from cancer patients. Not every single tumor tissue sample tested positive for fungus, but overall, the team did find fungi in all 35 cancer types assessed. Some tumors had no fungi at all, and some had a huge number of fungi. Based on the amount of fungal DNA his team uncovered, Strassman estimated that some tumors contain one fungal cell for every 1,000 to 10,000 cancer cells. If you consider that a small tumor can be laden with 1 billion or so cancer cells, you can imagine that fungi may have a big effect on cancer biology, he said. Strassman and his team found that each cancer type tended to be associated with its own unique collection of fungal species. These included typically harmless fungi known to live in humans and some that can cause diseases, like yeast infections. In turn, these fungal species often coexisted with particular bacteria within the tumor. For now, it's unknown if and how these microbes interact in the tumor and if their interactions help fuel the cancer's spread. Both research groups found hints that the growth of certain fungi may be linked to worse cancer outcomes. Despite these early hints, neither study can definitively say if fungi actually drive these poor outcomes or if aggressive cancers just create an environment where these fungi can easily grow. The studies also don't address if fungi can contribute to cancer development, pushing healthy cells to turn cancerous. Both studies come with similar limitations. Strassman told STAT that these initial studies serve as a springboard for future research into microbiota, meaning the communities of microbes associated with cancers. As a field, we need to evaluate everything we know about cancer, he said. Look at everything through the lens of the microbiome, the bacteria, the fungi, the tumors, even viruses. There are all these creatures in the tumor, and they must have some effect. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video.